Hi there, today I want to talk to you about Canva, which is a graphic design software, if you like. It just runs in the browser, so you can do it anywhere on any computer, which is fantastic for creating simple but really good looking design. Now, if we want for ourselves and for students, any students who want to create good looking graphics and design, this is a great tool, and this is a literacy and this is a skill that you need. So I want to just show you one of the tools that I use a lot to help me getting things looking good, and this can be anything from a presentation, a report, a social media post, any of that kind of stuff. Canva does great. So I'm at canva.com and I'm new, so I'm going to sign up. So I could use my Facebook account, I could sign up with Google, I could sign up with my email address. So if you do have a Google account, I always do it this way because then I don't have to remember another password. It just asks me, well, what's your Google account? I can sign in after I go through this process once. I just click that button and I'm straight through. So let me sign in. Okay, so I've signed in now, and here's my page. It shows at the bottom the stuff that I had been working on previously, so I can always go back to it. Any of these projects that I'm working on, it saves automatically, so you can't lose it. It updates as you're going along. It gives you some design, create a design at the top here. It gives you more options. So there is heaps of different templates that you can use to start off with. The most popular are at the top there. But if you want to create a social media post, a normal document, so you know, a magazine, a letterhead, a certificate here, a book cover, marketing materials like a poster, social media headings. This is really important. So if you have a YouTube channel and you want the right dimensions of the art at the top, Canva's got it built in here. You can always choose your own dimensions in here of the picture that you want to come out, but there's these great templates that come with each of these here. So and invitations as well, cards and Facebook ads. There's all kinds of stuff here. So let me start with a really simple one. Let's go for a poster, which is a real common kind of thing that you'll see people want to create using Canva, and this is all free as well. Okay, Canva is free. They have some elements, some of the pictures you might want to use cost $1 each, but they have thousands and thousands of images and pictures and layouts that are free to use. So when I first come on here, I can see down the left hand side all of the templates that I could possibly use to choose where to start from. So there might be something here that really hits you as, yeah, that's perfect, that's exactly the one that I want to use, and I could then just change the details. So if we've got a jazz night going on, art and jazz, I can click on any of the things in here and just change the text. And I can change the text as well. So there we go, we've got jazz night. I can resize any of these so that it fits. Up the top here, I've got the style of the text and the size of the text and the color. So I can change any of those elements there at the top and the spacing. If I don't like the picture here, there's heaps of pictures to choose from. So after choosing your layout, if I go to the elements section here, there's all kinds of things that you can put in there in your Canva design. So icons, there's thousands and thousands of different icons that you might want to put in there. You see down the bottom those that are free, and some of these are paid. So any of these, it's easy just to click and drag, and then I can resize the icon and put it anywhere on the page that I want to. Okay, and if I select it and press delete, it's gone. Here's another design that I've started with here, and we've got this nice background here, but let's say that for this one here I want to have a different background. So I've gone into my pictures here, and let's say I might want to search for bike. So this might be something to do with bikes that I'm wanting to promote. Okay, so if I choose this one here and drag it across, you can see this picture here now becomes the background for my poster here. And then I can just change the text on there again, bike race. And I can move the text around, I can change the size of this box here, I can move it around and put it where I want to. And I can change any of the text that I want to on this page, and I can get something really, really quickly and really easily. I can get some cool looking stuff going on. In the text tab on the left, you can just drag some text in if you want to, or you can use the styles that they have built in here. So they have color styles that start off with really basic ones, but as you scroll down, you'll see you get all these different colors and that sort of thing. So if you like the look of that one there, again, you just click and drag it on there. You can put it anywhere you like on the page, and then you can play with that text and change it so it looks exactly how it is that you want it. And again, there's thousands of different text designs that really suit. This might suit your purpose, okay? And all of them are editable. You just click, you just drag them onto the page. You can easily delete them if you don't like them. You can also change the background here, so you could change have it be a block color, or you could have a certain style in the background if you want to, or there's pictures that are available as well. But just watch out, some of these cost money, so when you download them, you need to pay $1 for these particular backgrounds, but they have plenty that look great. Or you can upload your own images. So if you just click and drag an image onto the page, it'll automatically upload it. And you can see I've selected a few in here, so the Office 365 logo. So now anytime I want to, it's just part of my library of stuff, so I can click and drag it onto the page and move it around and resize it. And that's it. I've now got my design of for my bike race. Get rid of that Office 365. I can change the title heading here. So okay, so I've changed the heading, Night to Remember Bike Race, all of the elements that I want. I'll get rid of that one there. And then I might want to download it. So just up in the top here, we've got download. You get some options here about what kind of, how you want to download it, what kind of file type. PNG is a great one. So I like PNG, this is an image type. I click on download. There isn't anything here that I've had to pay money for, so I haven't used any of the paid elements. So it will just download that file now as a PNG file. And when I open it, here is my design, which is looking great. If you zoom in on this image here, you'll see that it looks fantastic if I move around, and and you can then share this with people. Another option here is that you can make the design public, and when the design is public, you can share it and you can get a link to this particular design. So if I click on this and give people edit access, that means that people can collaborate on this, which is one of the things I think that's so important with all these digital tools. It gives people an opportunity to collaborate in a digital space. So share that link with other people, and 3 of you could be working on your poster or your assignment at the same time. Or you could also select a link for this, and you can see it's created like a website or a web address that anybody can visit. So if I give everyone the link, this link here, it will go directly to this advertisement that I can put online. So there's another feature that you can use in Canva. So this is a great option if you want to create great looking graphics for any kind of project, social media or anything like that. Check out Canva, have a play around. You'll see it's simple and easy to use and gives you some great results.